If you wanted to build a tech company 10 years ago, your first step usually involved buying stacks of expensive physical servers that sat in a dusty room, losing value every single day. Today, the teams building the world's biggest applications can go their entire careers without ever touching a piece of hardware. They build entirely in the cloud. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the ecosystem that makes this possible. It looks like an intimidating alphabet soup at first, but this 4-week study roadmap shows how organized it actually is. We're going to decode this using a master set of visual cheat sheets. These are the 6 advantages of cloud computing. The core is pay-as-you-go, renting computing power down to the second. Scalability expands your system to handle spikes in demand, while elasticity shrinks it when demand drops, eliminating payments for unused resources. This creates a massive shift in how businesses grow. Anyone with a laptop can now launch a global product in minutes without risking thousands of dollars in upfront capital. So, how does a single app stream video to millions of people simultaneously without its servers melting down? AWS functions as a web of data centers clustered into regions containing distinct facilities called availability zones. If a power outage knocks Zone 1 offline, the system automatically redirects users to Zone 2 over a high-speed connection. Your website stays up unnoticed. To solve sudden traffic spikes, the cloud uses horizontal scaling, automatically adding more machines to your pool. A monitoring tool watches your traffic, and if numbers pass a threshold, it triggers a command to launch new servers to carry the load. Because this infrastructure is distributed and can expand on demand, businesses achieve a level of resilience that was previously out of reach for anyone without a massive IT budget. Of course, if we are renting shared space on someone else's computers, it's natural to wonder if our private data is actually safe. AWS uses the shared responsibility model, dividing security into 2 halves. AWS handles the physical buildings and hardware, security of the cloud. On the customer side, you manage user passwords, encryption, and software patching, security in the cloud. AWS provides layered automated defenses to protect your applications. The outer ring, AWS Shield, handles DDoS attacks, massive traffic floods designed to crash a website. The inner ring, the Web Application Firewall, blocks targeted attempts to inject malicious code. These tools allow a small startup to operate behind the same automated security perimeter used by the world's most secure financial institutions. Now that the foundation is set, we can look at the actual digital tools you rent on a day-to-day basis. First is compute. You can rent a traditional virtual server called Amazon EC2, or you can use a serverless option called AWS Lambda, where you just upload your code and pay only for the fractions of a second it takes to run. For files, there is Amazon S3. Think of this as an unlimited digital closet where you can drop photos, videos, and documents without ever running out of room. While S3 is for files, highly organized information, like user accounts or bank balances, lives in dedicated databases where it can be rapidly sorted and queried. To keep these pieces private, a virtual private cloud creates an isolated, fenced-in yard for your resources. You put internet-facing servers in a public subnet, while keeping sensitive databases hidden inside a private subnet, unreachable from the outside world. These 4 pieces, compute, storage, database, and networking, are the digital building blocks that power the majority of the modern internet. Once your foundation is built, AWS offers a library of advanced tools you can plug directly into your app. These specialty services allow a small team to add complex features like image recognition, text-to-speech, or chatbots without having to write the underlying AI code from scratch. With all this power available at a click, it's common to worry about accidentally running up a massive bill. AWS includes built-in financial guardrails. You can use Cost Explorer to forecast your spending and set up budgets that send automatic alerts to your phone if your costs pass a certain threshold. The sheer number of services can be overwhelming, but the ecosystem is highly organized. This cheat sheet maps out differences between similar tools. Think of it as a modular map. Don't memorize every name. Just know which section to reference when solving a specific problem. Ultimately, AWS provides a toolkit that removes the friction between a good idea and a global product. Mastering its underlying logic gives you the power to build and scale your own digital applications with confidence.